Hi guys, I am Advocate Meenal, an enrolled advocate at Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa and All India Bar. Today I will talk about how one can appear for All India Bar examinations and get enrolled into All India Bar. Let's begin. All India Bar Examination. What is the All India Bar Examination? All India Bar Examination is a national level examination conducted by the Bar Council of India to assess whether provisionally enrolled advocates or fresh law graduates have the aptitude to practice law. The exam is an open book test and evaluates candidates' analytical abilities along with a basic understanding of law subjects. Is it mandatory to clear the All India Bar examination? Bar Council of India will award certificate of practice to candidates who clear the bar exam with mentioned minimum marks. Those who are not able to clear All India Bar examination will remain enrolled with their state bar council as a provisional advocates and not practicing lawyers. Appearing for the All India Bar examination is a mandatory for all law graduates completing their degree. Qualifying criteria for All India Bar examination. To clear AIBE, candidates should obtain 40% marks if they belonging to general or other backward class and 35% marks if belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes category. All India Bar examination eligibility criteria. To take All India Bar examination, candidates need to fulfill the eligibility criteria as mentioned below. Candidates holding 3-year or 5-year LLB degree are eligible for appearing in All India Bar examination. All candidates must be enrolled as an advocate with their respective state bar council under section 24 of 1 subclause F of Advocates Act 1961. There is no upper age limit or a lower age limit for candidates taking the exam. All India Bar Examination highlights. Exam name, All India Bar Examination. Exam frequency, twice a year. Exam mode, offline. Exam duration, 3 hours 30 minutes. Official website, it's www.allindiabarexamination.com. Type of examination, it's open books. Total number of questions, 100. Type of questions, all are multiple choice questions. Total marks, 100. Marking scheme, plus 1 mark per correct answer. Negative marking, there is no negative marking. All India Bar Examination syllabus, subjects and weightage. The Bar Council of India has mentioned 19 subjects in the All India Bar Examination syllabus. Subject, Constitutional Law. Number of questions, 10. Indian Penal Code, 8 questions. Criminal Procedure Code, 10 questions. Code of Civil Procedure, 10 questions. Evidence Act, 8 questions. Alternative Dispute Redressal, including Arbitration Act, 4 questions. Family Law, 8 questions. Public Interest Litigation, 4 questions. Administrative Law, 3 questions. Professional ethics and cases of professional misconduct under Bar Council of India rules 4 questions. Company law 2 questions. Environmental law 2 questions. Cyber law 2 questions. Labor and industrial law 4 questions. Law of tort including Motor Vehicles Act and Consumer Protection Law 5 questions. Law of Contract, Specific Relief Act, Property Laws, Negotiable Instrument Act 8 questions. Law related taxation 4 questions. Land Acquisition Act 2 questions. Intellectual Property Law 2 questions. Total 100 questions, 100 marks. For more such videos, please leave a comment.